Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Link not connecting. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Windows Defender Firewall. From the search results, click on Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Once the window opens, look at the left panel and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This is where you control which applications can communicate through your firewall, which is often the root cause of Steam Link connection issues. Now you'll see a list of applications. Scroll through this list until you locate Steam and Steam Web Helper. These are the two essential components that need proper firewall permissions for Steam Link to work correctly. Check whether both of these entries have check marks in both the private and public columns. If either of these boxes is unchecked, you'll need to make a change. In the upper right corner, click Change Settings. This will unlock the list and allow you to modify the permissions. Now go ahead and make sure both Steam and Steam Web Helper are checked under both private and public networks. This ensures Steam Link can establish a connection regardless of which network type you're using. Once you've verified both checkmarks are in place, click OK at the bottom right to save your changes. Next, open your Steam app and log in. In the upper left corner, click Steam from the menu bar, then select Settings from the drop-down. This will open your Steam configuration panel where you can adjust various features. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Remote Play. Look for the option that says Enable Remote Play and make sure it is toggled on. This feature is what allows Steam Link to communicate with your PC, so it's crucial that it's activated. Additionally, if you see any old paired devices listed in this section, go ahead and unpair or remove them. Old device connections can sometimes interfere with new pairing attempts and cause connection failures. Now there's one more thing that often causes Steam Link connection problems, and that's VPN software. If you're using a VPN, you'll need to disable it. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click Show Hidden Icons to reveal all your background applications. Right-click on your VPN icon and select the option to disable or disconnect it. VPNs can block local network connections, which prevents Steam Link from finding your PC. If you've followed all these steps and Steam Link still isn't connecting, your last option is to reinstall the Steam Link app on your device. Sometimes corrupted files can cause persistent connection issues, and a fresh installation will resolve this. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of Steam Link connection problems. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.